Unlike Jesus, I've never preached from a boat. I don't even think I've ever preached this close to a lake, much less Windermere. I've never had a crowd hanging on my every word. That would be my imaginary sermon. I was, however, a guest presenter at the Clitheroe Sixth Form earlier this month, a special day organized by the Ethics, Philosophy, and Religion Department. It's my third year at this event. We are asked to lead sessions for the students. I led a session called My Climate Story. The idea being that we all have a climate story. And the young people, with a little bit of a nudge, had no problem sharing their stories. We used to sledge down Pendle Hill, one said. It's been years since there's been enough snow to sledge. It's so hot now, you can't go out. I don't like it. We used to ski in Europe, but there's not enough snow. Can you imagine what it's like to be not even 17 years old, and the world they enjoyed and loved, that world might be disappearing. Maybe has disappeared already. Imagine. What can we do? They asked. They didn't want a work assignment. At least I don't think they did. I think what they really wanted was an alternative climate story.